The favorite thing for me to show them is our machines. Our blow molding machine and our palletizing robot is usually what people really enjoy to see, and even myself, I go to the tour every day and I still enjoy watching them work.
What's up guys, we're at the chili grinding event at the Sriracha Factory. This is where they process the chilies. Next stop, Sriracha ice cream. Alright, I picked the chocolate ice cream. That's good.